So just to be clear, this is an essay that won the award for the John Locke question in 2023. And specifically, if we were to quickly review the essay question at hand, this was the essay question. A government funds its own expenditure by taxing its population. Suppose instead it relied solely on money newly created by the central bank. What would be the advantages and or disadvantages? Now we're going to cover some various topics in the session today, from reading this essay. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the golden rule of public finance. We will also be looking at debt dynamics, monetary policy rules, bond markets, taxation, and of course, the quantity theory of money, which is a very key and important topic to be clear. But let's start off by having a look at what makes an introduction so powerful and useful. So here we have it in front of us. So I'll read through it first, and then we can think about it together. So government spending on hospitals, school, roads, and the rest is funded from taxation or government borrowing. Both are constrained. Raising government debt to very high levels risks a sovereign debt default, which would likely lead to a near immediate collapse of consumer confidence and capital flight, culminating in an economic meltdown. Meanwhile, taxation saps purchasing power from consumers and directly reduces material welfare. Could there be a better way to finance government spending? Why can't governments just print more money to do so? So first of all, to really drive some power through here, what we have is we have a few rhetorical questions at the end, and I believe I might be able to mark these on, but I'm not entirely sure. Yes, I can annotate. Perfect. So what we have is we've got a rhetorical question here, okay, and we've got a rhetorical question here. These questions in your introduction really glue the reader in to really keep them excited. So that's a key sort of point. Now, we also have a definition here. This is very important. Um, by having a definition here, you can collect some points very easily, right? By, simply showing that you understand and have an awareness of everything there. So that's another sort of key one as well. So after you've sort of set out the kind of overview, which is this section, we then move on to the objective of the essay, right? This is the sort of, this is the objective of the essay right here. That's really what this is. So let's have a look at the essay objective.